We all have personal or private things we'd rather keep hidden from family or friends. In this video, you'll learn how to lock a folder on Windows 10 without using any additional software. Welcome to this tutorial by NetConnect. We'll be using a batch file to lock the folder. Here's how. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the code provided in the video description into the new text document. Look for the line that says your password in the code and replace it with your desired password. Click File greater than Save As, choose a discrete name for the file, and add bat at the end locker, BT. Save the file inside the folder you want to lock. Now go to that folder and double-click the bat file. A command prompt window will flash briefly and a private folder will be created. This is where you can store the files you want to protect. To lock the folder, reopen the bat file and press Y when prompted. The folder will disappear, effectively locked. To unlock it, just run the bat file again and enter your password. The folder will reappear with all your files intact. That's it. Now you know how to lock a folder on Windows 10 without installing any software. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.